Do you want to know how you can log in to your Wave cable using your email? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Wave cable using your email address. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Brave browser. Go to the Google search bar to search for Wave cable email login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of S-Town, which is powered by RCN, Grande, and Wave. So if you are a Wave user, you can log in using this user portal. Go ahead and write down your username or your email address, your password, and click login. This way you can log in to your Wave cable. Now you can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this hide or show button. You can click remember me by clicking on this box, and if you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Wave cable account using your email address was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.